See that? Nothing left. Not even a single one. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful meal. I'm totally satisfied. Not too full, but I have meet the satisfaction. Tastes so good, tangy, delightful meal, and it's really worth the price, guys and gals. For only 319 and a glass of water that makes my meal complete. But you know what, guys and gals, I'm not gonna say what particular casual dining restaurant is this because this is not a sponsor and they don't have talent fee given to me. That's why. Just kidding. Who knows? Most probably, once they see this video, they're gonna get me as their ambassador, an image model rather. Bye. Thank you, Lord.